Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ilya Manin. I'm based in Thailand. I've been in online marketing, affiliate marketing for more than 10 years, and I'm very happy to present to you DAisy opportunity, which is taking the world by storm. So let's dive in. And first of all, I want to stress that legally, DAisy is not investment into trading. It is a crowdfunding platform, so please present it correctly. And also, we are not operating in US markets. So we only operate outside of US. All IP addresses from US are going to be blocked. So this is why please focus on building this opportunity outside of US. DAisy is a new category of financial business, and this is a quite revolutionary platform because nobody has combined a smart contract structure with a real product until now. So we've seen multiple smart contracts in the market, but all of them, they dry out once new members stop to join. And all of them depend on new members. So in DAisy, actually, even if nobody joins into opportunity, it still sustains itself because it has real product, and we don't have casualties here. So everybody is supposed to make some rewards. Everybody is supposed at least not to lose their funds, so which is very important. So this is a revolutionary. So this is a revolutionary platform combining crowdfunding, smart contract, AI technology, and affiliate marketing all together in one. The partner of DAisy is a company called Endatech, which I'm going to describe to you next slides. And Endatech is managed by Dr. Anna Becker. So you can Google her, you can find her LinkedIn profile and read about her in details. So Dr. Anna Becker is based in Israel, in Tel Aviv, and she solved mathematical equation when she was only 20. And she got worldwide recognition for this. And you can check on this link actually what was that equation about if you a fan of mathematics and if you understand mathematics. And then she had a previous company to Endatech which was called Strategy Runner, so she sold it back in 2011 to one of major brokers with the name FM Global. So you can also read this press release, and this was very successful deal actually, right? So next year after she sold Strategy Runner, so she started a company called Endatech, which we partnered with. And in 2017, Anna became a member of DAlSY, which stands for Dispute Resolution Committee. So actually, she is a very renowned and recognized person in the world of AI, in the world of fintech, and she has a lot of expertise in this world because she's been in these markets for more than 20 years. And combined together, she's been managing more than $1 billion in customers' funds, including institutional and retail customers. So she is qualified actually to run our funds that she will receive through DAisy crowdfunding platform. It is very important. Otherwise, if she didn't have this kind of expertise, so we would not be able to give this much money to her hands, and we would never feel comfortable to partner with her, right? So let's next. Endatech was established, like I mentioned, by Dr. Anna in 2012. The website of Endatech is endatech.io, so you can see all the information about Endatech on this website. You can see how much money was generated on their trading strategies. You can see past performance. You can see even some statistics, even some particular transactions in this trading strategies. And Endatech is one of the leading service providers in AI trading. It is a real AI trading, so they've been doing this only in crypto until now, but from now on, after they partner with DAisy project, actually, we plan to expand into new financial markets such as Forex and stock market. This is one of the examples of Endatech trading systems. You see that to join this system, you actually need to be institutional. You need to have a lot of funds, and you pay $125,000 just to get access to this system. Plus, you need to have minimal capital of $1 million. So this is not for retail customers, although they have some trading strategies available for retail customers as of today. But after we launch DAisy, actually, they will focus on institutionals, and in retail space, they will focus on partnership with DAisy. So this is one of their bots. So you can see in the period of 1 year, so they actually generated 331%, which is significant returns in the field of cryptocurrency AI trading. So this bot generated even more money. You can see that this particular trading strategy generated almost 300% in a very short period of time, in 2 months and 10 days. this happened recently. We saw that Bitcoin went up significantly, and plus this strategy utilized 10x leverage. So this is why the money on customers' accounts just grew in a very high pace, and people got surprised actually. They saw on their personal accounts how much income was generated. So this leverage bot's going to be also one of the trading strategies that Dr. Anna will put together in a DAisy fund, which I will explain to you later. So just to wrap it up, Endotech is a real fintech business. It is a real AI crypto trading business, and the market cap of Endotech as of today in December 2020 is $100 million. So they have only from retail customers assets under management $10 million, and plus they have few institutionals, so they are ready to start. This is actually a very good amount for the beginning. And now together with DAisy, we plan to raise much more capital, and we expect DAisy fund to grow very, very fast after we launch. So what is DAisy AI technology? Just to make it clear, we have two DAisys in this. One is a DAisy AI, which is a name of technology. So Dr. Anna has already real AI working and producing some nice returns. But it's been very long time that she's been dreaming about developing new generation of AI system, which she calls super intelligence. So she needs funding for this technology. For research and development, she needs $10 million, and we, as a DAisy crowdfunding platform, we partnered with her to make it happen. Plus, she needs to have under her management $300 to $500 million so that she takes real data from the market, from live trading, in order to create the most efficient system in the trading space. So the crowdfunding is going to work like this. From the top account of the metrics, some metrics commissions will be generated, and once total of this metrics commission hits $10 million, actually the crowdfunding will complete. But together with this, there is a second target, which is $500,000 in assets under management, which means that $500,000 need to come through crowdfunding packages into the trading, because this part is also part of crowdfunding. So we have two parts of crowdfunding. Once both of these targets are reached, the first phase of DAisy crowdfunding will be complete and will jump into second phase. Endotech plans to do IPO into one of the world financial markets. So currently they're targeting for Australian securities exchange, but it can be some other markets as well, so in some other countries. So they don't know for sure where they will go public, and they plan to do it in 2022, so about 1.5 years from now. And before they go public, after crowdfunding is complete, up to 10% of their equity will go to the members. So everybody who will crowdfund into this project, into DAisy, into development of super intelligence, will get 5% of shares, and plus the rest, the remaining 5% will go to leaders who will qualify as pace setters. Just to give you some hint on how to calculate Endotech market capitalization, so we can use this scenario. It's just hypothetical example, of course. So in case people buy $100 package, which is the first package, 50% goes into trading, 50% goes into the pay plan. So this 50% that goes into trading is $50. After 1 year, let's say hypothetically, this $50 generate rewards of $50, which is 100% rewards. Performance fee that Endotech is going to charge everybody is 15% from your rewards, from your profits, which is $7.5. And because Endotech is a fintech AI company, so they use multiplier of X20. So in this case, you can see that the value that everybody who buy package of $100, in case Endotech generates 100% annual rewards, the value of this situation of the company Endotech will increase to $150. So you crowdfund $100 and the value will grow to $150. So this is just one of examples, just in order for you to understand how much value can be brought to the market when people buy crowdfunding packages. And to wrap it up, there is a roadmap. So you can see that Endotech was established in 2012. 2018, they started to use the AI crypto trading services for real customers, both retail customers and institutionals. In December 2020, we target to launch DAisy crowdfunded platform. And Next year, 2021, we target to raise $10 million for R&D and also $500 million in AUM in DAisy fund. So both of these targets hopefully will be reached very soon in a few months. And then Dr. Anna will be able to develop a new generation of AI systems. And we will jump into second phase of DAisy, of crowdfunding model. And also all the funds that goes towards trading from crowdfunding packages will go into second phase into regulated markets, because obviously crypto markets are limited. So we plan to expand into Forex, into stock markets, into regulated space. So hedge fund will need to be established. So all the details regarding hedge fund and second phase, I believe we will be able to broadcast in January or February next year. So you can see that 2022, 2023, we plan to expand into new markets because crypto space is very limited. So DAisy crowdfunding system is working on based on Tron smart contract. Why Tron? Why not Ethereum? Just because Tron has less fees, so it's easier to do tons of transactions at the same time and pay very low gas fee. This is first. And second, Tron is very scalable. So because we expect tens of thousands of members joining from the first day, so obviously we need to have scalable blockchain, and Tron is one of those solutions, technical solutions. And also Tron is a very popular platform for smart contracts as of today. So many smart contracts deals actually are being developed on Tron, and this is why DAisy was created on Tron blockchain. So how to join DAisy? Actually, the minimum entrance level is $100. So everybody pays $100, and 50% goes into trading and 50% goes into the pay plan. From first entry to entry 7, actually the ratio is 50-50. For the higher packages, entry 8, entry 9, and entry 10, the ratio is 70-30, which means that 70% goes towards trading and 30% goes towards the pay plan. So you can see it here, right, clearly. For packages first to 7, it is the same number, which means it's 50-50, trade account and DAisy crowd, right? For higher packages, it's not the same, which means that 70% goes towards trading and 30% goes towards the pay plan. All these packages need to be purchased one by one, so you cannot skip any packages. If you want to buy, let's say, the highest package, which is entry 10, which costs $51,000, you need to start your journey from the first package. Only after you purchase first package, you get into the metrics, and then you buy second package and third package and so on up to entry 10. Everybody is placed into first matrix. First matrix is working the way that it fills all the empty spots underneath yourself with spillover or without spillover. So it's a 3x10 matrix. So you can see in this case, without spillover, if somebody doesn't produce spillover on top of you, if nobody produces spillover, if nobody falls underneath you, in this case, you put people by yourself, and obviously, firstly, you fill the first level. You see these 3 people. Then person number 5 would fall under person number 2, and then person number 6 would go under person number 3. Person number 7 would go under person number 4. So you can see this is how the placement works. So actually the system would identify first empty spots from top to bottom, from left to right. This is how it's working. And case number 2 just shows some example with spillover, right? So I would encourage everybody not to rely on spillover, and I would encourage everybody, if you believe that you are leader in these markets, right? So rather than depend on somebody's spillover, it's much better to generate spillover by yourself. So if you can produce massive spillover, you will get a lot of members joining with you, and I believe you will succeed much more than rather than in case when you depend on somebody else's spillover. So everybody is asking the same question. Okay, if I don't bring anybody to the system, if I don't refer anybody, so what can I get from the system? What kind of passive income I can get? So first of all, I have very bad news to somebody that there is no daily income here. There is no weekly income or monthly income because it's not ROI platform. So we have 3 kind of passive incomes, which I'm going to describe from now. So the first one is owning equity. So obviously everybody who buys packages here, they get some equity. And let me go back to the slide crowdfund pack table. So you can see that all the entries actually, they include shares in 5% equity pool. So all the members, regardless of their entry level, everybody gets shares. So obviously the smallest package gives only 1 share. The highest package gives more than 1,000 shares. So after the crowdfunding is finished, so these shares will be converted into the equity, into stock of Endotech. And in order for you to receive that stock, you will need to pass KYC, and you will need to show your legal identity, right? So let's go back to this slide. So this is the first way for you to make money is to receive potential return from selling Endotech equity or receiving dividends in the future, right? So in case next year we have very good performance from trading. So number 2 is a trading rewards. Trading rewards is obviously something that you can receive from trading. It is potential rewards from successful trading performance of Endotech exceeding needed amounts for testing. So for example, in case of first level, 50%, which is $50 goes to the trading, and you can receive significant returns exceeding this $50. So in this case, actually, you get some passive income, and you will be more than break even. And third one is a potential metric spillover. Again, this is just one of examples. So in the pay plan, in DAsY pay plan, there are no requirements actually to make money on the first two. There are no requirements for the first 2 levels, so you can make money from the first 2 levels without referring anybody, as you can see. So first level has 3 people, and the second level you have 9 people, right? Because it's 3 by 10 metrics. So obviously up to 48% can be made just from these 2 levels if you don't refer anybody. So combining all these 3 options, actually you can make some significant passive income, but there is no guarantee that you're going to make it. It will all depend on the trading results of Endotech for the next year. So, and it will also depend on how much spillover you get from your upline. So if you don't get any spillover, so obviously you can start building this business by yourself. And in this case, you'll get some active income, which will be much bigger than passive income. So I will go into the pay plan from now on. So referral plan. So we have income upfront and we have residual income from the trading profits. So we have income on the front end and on the back end. Up to 46% is paid to the network. So we can see multiple income streams, and I will go from now and describe each of these bonuses. In order for you to get paid in metrics, you need to first buy first entry, which is $100, and then you will start to make money from metrics from all first entries in your team. In order for you to start making money from the second entry or from third entry, you need to unlock these levels yourself. So this means that each entry level that you buy lets you earn when the same entry packs are bought within your metrics. I think it's quite easy to understand. So in case you only have first level, so obviously you're going to miss on commissions from second level, third level, fourth level, and so on. So you need to upgrade yourself in order to make bigger commissions from higher packages. And this table is very important because it shows exactly how much money can be made with metrics bonus, what kind of commissions we have here. So we pay up to 34% in 10 levels of metrics to packs 1 to 7. And you remember that the ratio for this packs is 50-50. And we pay up to 70% in 10 levels for packs 8 to 10. And the ratio here is 70-30, so obviously more money goes towards trading and less money is left to pay in commission. So this is why we have only 17% in metrics bonus here. So for first couple levels, we don't have any qualifications, so you can make money even if you don't refer anybody, as I explained already. So starting from third generation, actually you need to qualify and you need to bring 3 persons directly, and these 3 people, they need to buy packages not less than $1,000. So these 3 individuals will need to purchase at least $1,000 worth of packages, and then you qualify for third level. Once you qualify for third level, you're going to make 3% from packs 1 to 7 and 1.5% from packs 8 to 10 in third level. The next one requires you to sponsor 6 people directly, and those 6 individuals will need to purchase packages worth of $2,000 at least. So the highest qualification in this tree, as you can see, is a 10th level, so which requires you to bring 24 people directly, and they will need to buy $128,000 worth of packages, which can be done For some people in 1 day, for some people in 1 week, for some people it's gonna take probably a few months, right? But once you reach this qualification, you will be able to make money from all 10 levels in the tree. So you can see that a lot of money can be made in this matrix if the matrix is filled properly, if everything is balanced, and if in case everybody buys all 10 packages, the highest payouts from this matrix can be $198 million. You can see the income potential from this matrix is huge. It's very, very big. The next bonus is a personal referral bonus. So when you sponsor somebody, you get instant bonus, which is called direct bonus, directly from all your personal sales, which is 5%, regardless of your personal level. So you can be on the first level or second level, on first entry or second entry, and you can sponsor somebody who buy higher packages and still make 5%. The next bonus is called Matrix Check Matching Bonus. So you can make 10% of Matrix bonus of all your personals, all those people that you bring directly into business. But there are some qualifications. First of all, your Matrix bonus qualification level determines from how many levels of Matrix bonus of your personals you will match. And second, you can only match Matrix checks from entry levels not higher than yours. So if you only have, let's say, first entry on second entry, then you won't be able to make matching bonus from higher levels, higher packages than your personal. So in this particular case, you can see that this person is qualified for generation number 5. We can see this mark, which means qualified. He is not qualified yet for generation number 6. So this means that this particular person will only match matrix bonus of his personals generated from 5 levels. So if you qualify directly for 10 levels in matrix, then you will be able to match matrix bonuses up to 10 levels deep. The next bonus is one of the most exciting bonuses in the pay plan. It's called Pay Setter bonus. So this bonus requires you to take action very fast after you join. So basically what you can make with this bonus is first, you can unlock one additional level. If you, let's say in first 30 days, you qualify for 6 levels in matrix, so the system will unlock for you one more level additionally. This is first bonus. It's one of Pay Setter bonuses, right? So the second one is actually much more inspiring and much more exciting because once you unlock your 10 levels in your first 30 days, which can happen on the first day after you join in 1 week, so the moment it happens, within 30 days after your start in DAlSY business, you get 5% of DAlSY stock from leadership pool, and plus you will get portion of the global sales. And now I'm going to explain to you exactly how it's working, right? So the Pay Setter bonus, which is 1.1% from global sales, goes into special pool and divided between all qualified members instantly after a sale is made. So you can imagine that people are going to buy packages worldwide, in Japan, in China, in Vietnam, in UK, in Russia, in Italy, France, in all these countries. All kind of packages will be purchased. Obviously, it's going to happen every minute or maybe even every second. And once somebody buys this package, once you qualify for Pay Setter bonus, you will get fraction of this revenue, which is 1.1% divided by the number of qualifiers. So it's going to be constant cash flow directly to your Tron wallet. And by the way, all the bonuses are paid directly to Tron wallet. So this is the beauty of the system. It's decentralized. It pays directly to you. Nobody can abuse the system and nobody can terminate you. Everything is paid directly to your smartphone. The second Pay Setter bonus is a 5% equity shares bonus. So once you reach 10 levels in matrix within 30 days, so you are qualified to get 5% equity. You are qualified to get a portion of 5% equity shares. So all crowdfunding is complete. After crowdfunding is complete, and the tech will take the total number of shares and divide 5% of equity between all the shareholders equally. Equity can be sold after IPO in case IPO happens, or you can hold to potentially receive dividends. The next bonus is actually probably the most lucrative bonus of the pay plan, and all top leaders plan to qualify and to become part of DAlSY Infinity Club. It's very important to take action also in the first day. So once you generate revenue of $1 million in total, and this revenue is counted in unit level, not in metrics. So the spillover is not calculated here. So you need to have your personal team, which starts from your personals. So once you reach $1 million in your first 30 days, or once you reach $10 million in accumulative sales in any period of time, which can be 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, doesn't matter. So you join so-called the Infinity Club and you start to receive Infinity bonus. There is one condition actually for this qualifier. Not more than 50% can come from each leg. So which means that you need to have minimum 2 legs actually to qualify for Infinity Club, Infinity bonus. And once you qualified, you start to receive 1% of all crowdfund packs from your entire unilevel team to Infinity. This is why it's called DAisy Infinity Club. And you can see on this picture exactly how it works. So let's say Bob joins business and he qualifies for Infinity Club. So he starts to receive 1% from all the sales coming underneath him in his personal organization, right? So without metrics spillover. So next person can also qualify for this commission. So in this case, let's say in Bob's team, there is one more leader. His name is John, and he qualifies for 1%. So in this case, Bob will match this 1%, and he will get 100% match bonus, which will be also 1%, right? So in this case, 2% will be paid out. And there is one more generation of these qualifiers available in the system. So in this case, for example, we have Jack, and Jack also qualifies for 1%. Jack joins team with John. So Jack is a part of John's team. So John will get 100% match bonus, which is also 1%. And Bob, who initially started this journey, right, and who wasn't initially qualified to get 1%, so he will start to get 0.5%, which is 50% match from Jack. So total of 2.5% will be paid out in this bonus. And I want you to pay attention that this bonus is paid on the front end and also on the back end. And I'm going to explain to you how it works in the next slides. So we are done with the front end commissions. And now I want to show you how you can make money, residual income from trading bonuses. Actually, residual trading bonus is a very exciting part of the pay plan because you will be able to make residual bonuses when your customers in your team, in your unilevel structure, in this case, it's not metrics, it's unilevel structure, will generate some rewards from trading part. So let's say you bring somebody into this business and you will be making, whenever that person withdraws his rewards, so you will be making 3.5% from his rewards amount. And you will be able actually to make commissions up to 10 levels with dynamic compression. And all these qualifiers will be based on metrics qualifiers. So if you qualified for 10 levels in metrics, you will be qualified for 10 levels in unilevel accordingly. So this is very important. If you're not qualified for 10 levels, you won't be able to make 10 levels of this unilevel residual commissions. So in this slide, there is example of how residual bonus is paid out. So in this case, Bob generated $1,000 in trading rewards in DAisy Fund. And everybody who withdraws money from DAisy Fund, who withdraws rewards, actually gets only 70%, right? So all the customers, all the members of DAisy, when they withdraw the rewards from trading, they get 70% in their Tron wallet. The remaining 30% is spread between DAisy Crowd, which is a pay plan, and Endotech performance fee. So part of the money, 15%, goes to Endotech because this is the only income stream for them actually, because they help you to generate income, right? So, and the remaining 15% goes towards DAisy Crowd. So we can see that $25, which is 2.5%, goes towards Infinity trading bonus, which I described in the previous slide, and 12.5% comes from here, right, from this table. 12.5% is paid in 10 levels of unilevel. So in this particular case, direct sponsor of Bob will receive $35, which is 3.5%. Next person will receive 1%, which is $10, right? It's 1% from $1,000. Next person will receive $10. And then we see that this person is actually qualified on these 3 levels in metrics. So this means that he will be compressed with dynamic compression. And the next payout will go towards this member who is qualified for 4 levels in metrics. So qualification in metrics is directly reflected in the number of levels that you can make commissions on the back end from unilevel. This is very important. And then, of course, the remaining money will be payout to upline accordingly. So total of $125 will be paid in this unilevel structure. Then We have another DAisy Infinity Club bonus, which is called residual bonus. So this bonus is paid when people withdraw money. So this is a 2.5% that I just mentioned, this one like 2.5%. And it's paid the same way that it is paid on the front end. So the back end pays exactly the same way. So when all these people, they withdraw their rewards. So Bob, as a qualified upline, is making 1% of this rewards amount, right? So when somebody in his team qualifies to receive 1% from Infinity, so Bob will make 100% match bonus. And then the same story with Jack, John, and Bob. Just exactly the same story with the front commissions, right? So which means once you qualify for DAisy Infinity Club, you make commission 2 times. 1 time on the front and 1 time in the back end. So then we have 3 categories of customers. This is very frequent questions on how customers actually can get the biggest advantage in this opportunity. So for entry 1 to 7, which is less than $10,000, right? These packs cost less than $10,000. So for smaller packages, actually 50% goes to DAisy Fund, right? So for higher packages, 8 to 10 entry, 70% goes to DAisy Fund. And once you buy all 10 packages, all 10 levels, entries, you qualify to become VIP customer. So once you become VIP customer, you can invest money directly with Endatech. You become direct institutional customer of Endatech, and you will be able to trade directly on your personal Binance account using API keys. So VIP customers is a very big privilege, but to become VIP customer, and by the way, this program is coming obviously not from the very beginning because Endatech is overloaded right now. So I believe it will be coming in the next months, maybe January, or on the latest in February. So you need to buy all 10 packages actually to qualify to become VIP customer. And then you can start your journey as a VIP customer with a minimum capital of $20,000. That would go directly into personal account, and you will see all the trades on the personal account, and all rewards generated will go directly to your pocket. But of course, you will need to pay a performance fee, which will be 20% instead of 30%, which is applied for the packages 1 to 10. So this is a little bit better condition for VIP customers. But again, this condition will be limited maybe for the first $10 million generated from VIP customers. And then later on, maybe this performance fee will increase as well. So for VIP customers, there is a very similar pay plan, which is a unilevel pay plan with compression, 10 levels, just like from the regular packages, right? So when you have a VIP customer in your team and they make some money and they withdraw some rewards, right? Some profits. So obviously you're going to also make 1% up to 10th level deep with dynamic compression. So which means actually you can make bonuses from deeper levels. Transparency of trading is very important. So there will be monthly or maybe quarterly audit by an international audit company that will show exactly how much money has been traded on Endatech accounts, how much profits was generated, and everybody will be able to see what exactly is happening in DAisy Fund. So this is very important because without this audit, without this transparency, we cannot create trust from the field, from leaders, and we plan to do this audit once DAisy is launched and show to everybody exactly how the rewards and the profits are generated by Dr. Anna, by her trading systems. And the VIP customers also have lifetime access to trading by Endatech in your own exchange account, which I described already, right? So this is how the dashboard is going to look. So there will be 2 sections. One is a crowd, one is a fund. So crowd obviously refers to the pay plan. You will be able to see your structure. You will be able to see exactly how much money you made in each of bonuses. And the fund obviously will show you how much money currently is under management of Dr. Anna in DAisy Fund, which is part of crowdfunding. And you will see how much your personal portfolio is, how much money goes into trading from your packages, and how much rewards has been generated. So you will see all the statistics on the fund section as well. So there will be 2 sections, right? So we obviously changed the game in MLM because until now nobody has combined smart contract deal together with real transparent product. So this is why DAisy becomes more and more successful even before the launch. We attract probably the best and quality leaders from all the countries, all the markets, and we are very proud actually to be pioneers in this field. And we have full transparency in the system. We're going to have technical audit, we're going to have financial audit, so all the money generated here will be transparent for everybody. We have reality, so there is no any faked up stories here, so everything is real, so there is no guarantee that anybody will make money. There is no fixed income, daily income or weekly income like in some other money games. So we have real situation here. So actually all the members who are going to join DAisy, they will get access to professional AI crypto trading systems. In the future it will be forex systems and stock systems that until today only institutional clients had access to. So this is a very big privilege actually for people, for members worldwide to get access to the system and to finally start to make some money. And we have long-term vision, of course. After the first round of crowdfunding, there will be second phase and third phase, which we will release accordingly next year after we hit the target, reach the target of the first phase. Of course, everything we do is legal, so we have full legality here. We don't do any illegal operations here, although we operate in smart contract, which is a little bit of a new business model. So in some jurisdictions, maybe there are some concerns and questions regarding smart contracts. Most of people, they don't understand what is smart contract, but we are fully transparent and legal, so which will help us actually to get a lot of good attention in multiple countries. And we operate on global scale. I believe from day one, we're going to have more than 100 countries join us. And we now get attention from all parts of the world, starting from Asia, Europe, Africa, Latin America. As I mentioned, we are closed in United States, so all IP addresses will be blocked. So people who try to join from US won't be able to do it technically. And just to wrap it up, I would like to show you the workflow of DAisy, what it is exactly. So people need to download Tron Wallet to start with, because all the smart contracts, they operate directly from browsers of either Tron Wallet or Ether Wallet. So in this case, it's a Tron Wallet. It can be also Tron Link, any kind of Tron-related wallet. So you need to have some TRX, some Tron crypto to start with. And then you put your money into crowdfunding platform, into DAisy. Automatically, you get Endatech equity shares, which is a very big value from the very beginning. And then the money will be divided into two parts. One part goes towards the pay plan, which is called DAisy Crowd, and the second part goes towards trading, which will be under management of Dr. Anna under management of Endatech, right? So this trading part will hopefully generate some nice rewards, and all these rewards will be available for withdrawals, instant withdrawals. So after you push the button to withdraw, all these rewards will go directly into your Tron wallet that you started with. So everything will be based on a smart contract. It will be controlled directly by you. So actually, you're going to have this system available to you directly from your smartphone browser of Tron wallet. So how to join DAisy? First, you need to download Tron wallet. Then you need to prepare Tron equivalent of minimum $100. Get a sign up link from your referrer, purchase minimum of entry level 1, and secure your spot in the metrics. If you don't purchase any levels, so you cannot get a spot in metrics, so make sure that you have minimum $100 worth of Tron to start this journey from. Together we create history. DAisy, thank you very much for listening to this presentation to the end, and I hope to see you in person on some conventions, offline events, or maybe during our online events that we plan to do in multiple languages, in multiple countries, in multiple markets from now on, especially after we launch.